how are you thinking about technology, but specifically AI? Because I know you've been doing a lot of experimentation on your side. How are you thinking about it?
What I'm doing is in our own organization, we are putting together a training program and establishing a baseline skill set for all employees on AI. But what is much more important for me is that we are not just trying to implement some tools to help us with what we are already doing, but rethinking all of the workflows and processes.
Wow, so that's like going back to like policies and looking at training materials, revisiting. That's a lot of work. How are you structuring that?
Well, as you know, I've been testing a lot of things myself. So I'm looking at what is best, what's out there already, and then also experimenting and putting some of the things together using AI tools for our staff, very targeted, very personalized, very useful for the people in the organization.
I love that. You also mentioned to me briefly before this chat that you're vibe coding now. Tell me a little bit about your personal vibe coding experience.
So, it can help you with all kinds of things, whether personal or in your business. So one of the things which was during one of our staff meetings was, oh, I wish I had an emoji for that. So while we were on the call, I vibe coded and created this emoji maker for everybody. So it's actually public. You can go and make your emoji just by describing what you want the emoji.